product overview, review, comparison. Today something really cool came in. It is the Skechers Speed Freek. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and begin with the unboxing of the Skechers Speed Freek. This box comes in a very nice packaging, definitely custom made compared to your traditional shoe box. Very nice print on the outside. So it's a flip top box. And when you open it up, the first thing you see inside is the paper even is special, where it says Skechers Speed Freek on the paperwork inside, with a little bit of information on the top as well. So you open it up, and inside, size 11 Skechers Speed Freek. Okay, so we'll keep continuing looking at the shoe now that we have it out of the box. It still has the stock packaging on the inside. If you don't know anything about this shoe, or you're still learning about it, this is a racing shoe, definitely intended for marathon racing, maybe even half marathon racing, but it is built to go the distance. Has lots of hyperburst foam underneath, carbon infused winglet plate in it as well. It is a 36 millimeters of stack in the heel, 32 in the front, giving it a 4 millimeter drop. It has a mono mesh upper, and on the outsole you can see Goodyear rubber is also on the outsole. Definitely stripped down in only the places where you need the extra protection the most. It also has the HyperArc technology in it as well. This would be kind of fun to do. We're going to do a little lineup here, beginning with the Skechers Razor 3. This shoe was popular a couple years ago. It was one of my first Skechers shoes that I ever ran in, and I loved running in this shoe. Put about 400 miles in it before I retired it. Just a great all-around shoe. Just had a lot of versatility to it. I was really happy with it. Next up in the lineup, there is the Skechers Razor Plus, which is the successor to the Skechers Razor 3, followed by the Skechers Razor XS, which is a more max cushion version of the Razor Plus, and finally in the lineup we have the Speed Freek from Skechers as well. Here's an interesting little perspective we're going to do. This is comparing the stack height of the Speed Freek compared to the Razor 3. We're also going to compare it to the Razor Plus, and finally we're going to compare it to the Razor XS. So you can see the Speed Freek has tons of cushioning underfoot, lots of stack height there compared to some of the previous Razor models. Alright, well that concludes the video for today with the information on the Speed Freek. And hopefully here soon I will have a video with a review for the Razor XS, which I actually just crossed 100 miles in. So hopefully I'll have a good video with a full review on the Razor XS coming to you soon. Thanks for watching.